Do you want to make $25 just by drag and drop? Is that even possible? Well, today it is, and it doesn't get easier than this. This is not a clickbait video. The method I'm about to show you is extremely easy to do, and you can make really good money with this. What I'm about to show you is the definition of easy money. People are making hundreds of dollars with this because it's so simple. Anybody can do it. This is not a sales video that will push you to buy something. Everything I'm about to show you is absolutely free, and you can make this from anywhere in the world. The one thing you absolutely must do is stay with me through the entire process. In order to make this as easy and as simple as possible for you, you need to stick with me for the next 10 minutes, and by the end of this video you will know exactly what to do to get to those $25 payouts. You can receive your money through PayPal, direct bank, check or Bitcoin. They pay through different payment methods and they are available worldwide. So whatever your payment method is, don't worry about it. This guy's got you covered. But before we dive into the video, if this is the first time you came across my channel, you should definitely go down below and click on the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss a single video from me about simple and easy ways to make money online. And if you want my #1 recommendation on making a full-time passive income online, if you want to know how I quit my construction job and start making some real money just with my laptop, make sure to check out the first link in the video description, and I will share with you how I did that. Okay, let's do this. I want you to go to google.com, and I want you to follow me step by step throughout the entire process, because once you miss certain steps, certain tips, everything just doesn't connect together. So first of all, go to google.com, and I want you to type in the keyword people per hour and hit search. And as you can see, the first website that pops up is the one we want, peopleperhour.com. And once you click on that, we're going to land on the actual website. So on this website is 100% free to sign up, and after that you can find different jobs that you can do. And I'll show you what's the best job right now. With just one single drag and drop, you can earn $25 again and again. It's really easy, really simple, but you have to follow me. So first off, you need to sign up for a free account so that you can get verified. Very important. So go on and hover your mouse at the top right hand corner and click on the sign up button, and we're going to land on this page where you can register. Just complete all your information, your name, your last name, your email address, your password. Click on this freelancer because we're here to offer certain services, sell it to people and make money. And don't freak out, because I know that you probably don't know how to do any stuff, but I'll tell you a little secret. You don't have to. You don't need any skills for this. Just follow my lead and everything will be explained. I promise you by the end of this video, you will understand how powerful this is. Let me show you how it works. Just follow me step by step. Click on this freelancer and click on this orange sign up button. This is what will happen next. They're going to send you a verification email to your email address that you previously put in. Just click on the verification link. Alright, that's the entire sign up process, and right now I want to show you this. Let us go back to the home page. I want you to hover your mouse to search. Okay, click on this search button and click on search offers. And I want you to type in a keyword, because basically on this website we can sell many different services. But right now in this video we're just going to be focusing on this one single thing, which is background removal. Just type in the background removal and click on the search button. And then basically you can see there are many different people that offer this kind of services, where they help different people to remove the background of their photos. There are so many people that want to remove the background from the photos or pictures. They just don't know how to do it, or they don't have the time for it, and they will happily pay you to do it for them. And before you say you don't know how to do this, you don't have the skills or anything like that, let me tell you this, you don't need any skills for this. All you will ever need is a 100% free little software that will do everything for you. And that's what I'm about to show you. All you need to do is just drag and drop the picture. In 5 seconds you will have a background free image to sell. How cool is that? You can earn £10, £15, £10 here, £20 by just removing the background. And you can start selling those photos on this platform for free, and you can begin earning a lot of money. But right now I'll show you the software that you can use, and also a few tips that can help you get a lot of sales even if you're a complete beginner, because they're very important, right? There are a lot of beginners who come on this website and they try to sell something, and they're basically not getting any sales. So let me show you what is the fastest method for a complete beginner to get a few sales coming in, 5 or 10 sales, so that they can have some reviews, some feedback. And once people land on your profile and see that you've been making 5 or 10 sales and people are giving you some good reviews, maybe 4 or 5 star ratings, they will trust you and eventually buy from you. And that's the reason why you can make a lot of sales, right? That's very important. Stay tuned for the tips that I want to give you. They're very valuable. No one is willing to share that with you. So let us see how much you can actually charge people for doing that. There isn't a standard price. People are charging from $10 up to $50, so you will have to set your price. Now, in order to be competitive, you can't charge too much, and in order to be reliable, you can't charge too little. So I strongly recommend to check out what other people are charging, to be somewhere in the middle. A $25 offer, for example, would be perfect. Don't get too low on the price, because when people see a low price, they tend to believe that you're an amateur, and we don't want that. But on the other hand, we don't want to be too expensive, so set your price right. That is the first thing. And remember, you're charging $25 per photo. What if you could do 5 of them per day? That is $125 each and every day. For some people, that is a full-time income. Take a moment to imagine what this extra money can do for you. Pay the bills or the rent, maybe a trip you couldn't afford before. You can spend them however you want. And you can do all of that just by drag and drop a picture. I mean, if you think about it, it's pretty insane. Now let's take a look at the software that will make all of this possible. Go back to Google and type in remove.bg. Hit search and you will land on this awesome website. As you can see, you can upload an image or just drag and drop the image in here and it will automatically remove the background for you. You don't even have to press a button. In 5 seconds, your image will be background free. Let's try this together, just to show you how simple this is. I'm going to get a picture from my computer that I used in the thumbnail of this video, and I will just drag and drop it in there and voila! In 5 seconds, we have the same picture, but with no background. This is pretty impressive. Now all you have to do is hit download and it will start downloading the picture to your computer. And now you can take the picture and deliver it to your customer and collect those $25. Very simple, very easy. Now you know what website to use and how to get your pictures background free. But let's take it up a notch. The first thing I'm looking for in someone's profile when I want to buy one of his services is reviews. If he has bad reviews, I won't hire him. If he has no reviews, maybe. But if he has some good reviews, I will definitely give him the job. So I want to show you how you can get some good reviews fast so people can trust and buy your services. Let's go back to google.com and type in the search bar photo editing forums. As you can see from the results, there are so many forums about this topic, and in most of them there are people posting and asking for someone to remove the background from their photos. Most people believe that they must have Photoshop skills in order to do that. They have no idea about what I just show you. So you will reply to them and direct them to your profile in peopleperhour.com, where you sell your services and ask them to give you a good review after you deliver. They will hire you, they will pay you and give you a good review, which will help you get more clients. And this is pretty much all you need to succeed with this method. Just take action with this and I'm sure you will get great results. So that's it for today's video. If you got any value, make sure to smash the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon just to make sure that you won't miss any videos from me about simple and easy ways to make money online. And if you want my #1 recommendation on how to make full-time passive income online, if you want to know how I was able to quit my construction job and started making real money just from my laptop, click the first link in the description of this video and I will share it with you how I did that. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, make it a great day and I will see you on the next one.